I needed a booster to my preparation, and the content of the Krakow course I believed would allow me to get a hold of these concepts in a short period of time. Like, because I didn't have a lot of time, I predominantly made use of the concept videos that were provided as part of the course. I sort of binge watched them in a span of 3 to 4 weeks. Apart from that, one significant thing I would like to mention is the Krakow sectionals, particularly for DILR.
The uniqueness and what I loved about Krakow was the fact that they have innumerable questions, as in you have questions topic wise, you have section tests, you're done with section tests, you have mock tests, and you never get the questions never get over, so you never have to look out for resources from outside. They have past papers, and if you feel that a certain topic is weak, they have topic based tests also, and I don't think any other coaching provides such extensive resources. Great. Especially for CAT.
I had no idea what the CAT was going to be like. I had taken a couple of practice mocks, but the Krakow mocks were in a really the same format as the CAT is, so that was very nice to understand the screen. I think the difficulty level was also approximately the same that I got in my CAT. And so Krakow mocks gave me the time I spent on each question, how easy, hard or difficult the question was, what topic it was from. I didn't have to worry about noting all these information about my mock that I could later analyze and use it to improve myself.
So Krakow helped me a lot in my preparation. Basically, I just came across Krakow online while trying to search for some things related to CAT. Okay. And Krakow also has these free videos available over YouTube, right, which are for preparation. So I saw those some of those lectures from Maruti sir and Saili ma'am, and I really liked the explanation. Like, the way they were explaining was very easy to understand, and I had a lot of clarity after watching just a few videos. So because of that, I decided to go ahead for the Krakow Complete course. For my case, since I was also working, I wanted a proper systematic way of studying. Like, I wanted my material in a very organized manner, and that is what Krakow helped me with. And definitely Saili ma'am and Maruti sir's explanation and the way they teach the concepts, that is wonderful.
And Krakow sectionals, I think, are fantastic, and even mocks are really great. Certain video solutions by Maruti sir are really helped me to understand like how it works. Somewhere which I was losing the logic or not realizing. Right. So I think that place, it's all three sections. I think more or less this is what aspirant could look at.
So Krakow has helped me a lot in this particular aspect, that it has a bunch of resources for each of the sections of VARC, Quant and DLR. And I can say VARC, this probably could be the largest resources area that I can find for CAT preparation. And apart from that, there used to be another section for daily targets. There used to be another section for sectionals, mocks. Right. So including all this, it will be more than enough for a person to solve all these questions and improve their marks. One unique thing that I want to tell about Krakow is it has got two major differences when compared to other courses. That is, one thing is this doubt solving session that we'll have a comment box wherein we can post our doubts right below each and every video. That is very differentiating. We don't see it anywhere. And one more thing is the daily target. See, this daily target is something that made me take up the Krakow course as well.
Krakow had some portion of the syllabus covered.
Okay.
It was open freely for everyone, which is why I thought that Krakow would be a website, a good platform for me to actually learn. And that's when my preparation actually kickstarted. Everything was given in such an organized manner. Plus, it made it really easy for you because you didn't really have to think what to do. You just had to study, and that's it.
I joined Krakow pretty early last year. It has helped me a lot when it comes to, for VARC, I used a lot of their resources, especially for verbal ability. I used to solve all the para jumbles, para summaries. I like the way how Krakow gamified their portal as such when it comes to offering you titles like novice, professional, etc. So that was something which I like, which motivates you to solve even more to maintain your streak. Because when it comes to Quant, is probably unparalleled from what I have seen. They're pretty solid in that front.
Actually, for the working professionals, I think the daily tasks that Krakow has. So what Krakow does is it releases 3 tests per day, one for English, one for DILR, and one for quantitative ability. Those 3 tests per day, if you solve, it doesn't take more than 1 hour. I would also say that the mock tests of CrackQ had pretty good questions. That also helped me a lot because the analysis part was very good, and what I liked the most was the video solutions and all from Maruti sir and Sayali ma'am.
Especially the mocks, when it comes to the case of CrackQ, I feel CrackQ mocks are next to nobody. Because especially if you look at the previous trend, especially in the quant, here this is the where CrackQ has was been very much helpful to me, because CrackQ quant sectionals, especially, they were in line with the actual CAT examinations.
I also started with CrackQ daily targets, and I found that really helpful. And when the new course, and then I took CrackQ mocks from September. That's been and CrackQ mocks have been really helpful to me.
I really like the videos. The first video that I still remember, the first video that I watched is of Sayali ma'am's games and tournament section. I really like the way she introduced the concepts. Like, I checked CrackQ website, I found a course there, I enrolled for it, and CrackQ gave me a scholarship too.
I got down with all the material I had, and CrackQ, here is where CrackQ helped. I can count down to you, there are more than 5,000 or 6,000 questions of maths alone. That is enough for you to practice, enough to, be good enough at all the topic of mathematics. I did them all. There is no topic that I've left. My portal is completely finished, and I had a proficiency of the highest.
Come across when you Google previous year XAT question papers is CrackQ. Right. So, and then they have everything listed right there, right? So that's how I came across CrackQ, and then I started solving XAT previous year papers and CAT previous year papers from there, and eventually I ended up buying the subscription for the mock.
So yes, if we solve the DD target, that has helped me very much. It has all the difficulty level questions. So you will get easy questions sometimes, you will get difficult level questions sometimes. And that is what the entrance exam is all about. You take any entrance made with CAT, NMAT, SAT, anything. It is the same thing. And the CAT schedule, which we get, the batch schedule, I never did anything extra apart from that.